Turn. Just stop. 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 You're gonna hit. You're gonna hit. You're gonna hit. Turn. Hey! No. Go back the other way. Go back the other way. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's going on, guys? And welcome back to another video. What are you doing on my leg? No, that's not how you start the vlog. Well, guys, we're starting the vlog today. We got no idea what we're starting it about, but we got the F150 Platinum Black on chrome, on aluminum, on plastic, on... Hey, what are you doing over there? Hey, watch that hitch. Don't hit that hitch. So guys, you know, we're not nothing special today about this vlog. We're just, oh, here's something very special. So Nick, guys, is finally... Wait, did you actually start your YouTube channel yet? What are you doing? Hey, you want to hold the camera or what? Huh? Oh, that's the wrong spot. Don't do that. That hurts, Daddy. So are you, what am I looking at?
That's a battery charger here.
Oh, damn. Are you actually going to start your first, so Nick, guys, you know, he's going to start maybe, I think, a YouTube channel. I don't know.
We're trying to, man.
I gave him this camera. He wanted a camera, nice camera. So I gave him this camera, and did I give you the tripod? Or is that still here?
No.
All right, well, I gave him the...
I had that camera.
Yeah.
It worked good for cars. So we're going to try this one out.
Okay. So Nick might actually start his first vlog, but what we're doing here, we're moving stuff around. You guys notice, yes, the trailer is over here. Well, because we're gonna actually put the trailer and the boat over here. Looks like we're going to put a garage here, guys. I talked to a company. They said they can do a garage like this, and they can bring it all the way and like that. It's gonna be kind of a weird looking garage, but we got to do the retaining wall. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff. But right now, Nick is gonna hook up old F150 over here. We're gonna move the trailer, take the booty end of the trailer just like that a little bit. Hold on, you're gonna smash into the tractor. I gotta move the tractor out of the way to give us some room. One sec, pull forward. Yeah, well, ride quality is gonna be good. If you guys are wondering, Nick is he's gonna start doing stuff to this truck. He wants to do some lift and rims and tires and toy. Oh, relax. Okay, well, right. First, we gotta warm up. All blue over here. Oh, so we can. Oh, hold on. Gotta turn that glow plug. Come on, give her a sec here. You know, she's not like all these new trucks where you just turn the key, boom, you're instantly done. Oh, girl, you gotta hold this glow plug here for, I'd say about 45 seconds, because if I try to crank over, and if you're running the switch, yes, the switch, I don't know what happened here, went out, so I just bypassed the starter, or bypassed it and put a little switch here. So we gotta hold it for a little more, and the spring, the glow plug, is right in there. If you can see that spring. At night you can see it turn red and orange. In the daytime, what I usually do is just stick my finger over it till it gets a little warm, then I'm good. But this should be good right here, so let's give her a start. Oh yeah, there we go. Purring like a can. We got our neutral. All right, look, you hear that Cummins running? Kind of like a Cummins, you know, it's an inline, same thing. Oh, look at that, no gas, just look at that torque. All torque right there, baby. Gonna back her up. I don't want to sing. All right. All right, Mr. Platinum, come on.
It did to me, but look at my tongue.
Jeez.
This is intense.
Well, yeah, dude, I told you, that's G-force intense.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, so let's see. So Nick needs to maneuver the booty of the big ding ding over here, not this way, but like that. So what the goal is, I want to put the big ding ding over here. We're going to put the boat over here. Hopefully when I got a little new device coming, we can put the boat this way. We're not sure right now what we're going to do. Right now I'm just playing. Come on back there, partner. Keep on coming. You got to turn it sharp, my friend. Keep turning. There you go. Turn it. All right, that's good. Oh, yeah, you got the wrong size ball in here. Is this a 2-inch ball? Okay, yeah, well, this is a 2 5/16. So that ain't gonna work. We're gonna change the ball because I don't want to take the risk. All right, it's got old Ding Ding hooked up here to the old Forder. Did I just say Forder?
Forder.
Whoa, look at the range. Look at the range. She don't even notice us. Okay. All right.
Old Ding Ding.
All right, pull her on forward there, partner. Oh, she's towing good. Are you full throttle or what, dude? Huh? Come on. Jeez. All right. What's wrong? Poor Ding Ding's moving this whole truck. Holy moly. What's cracking over there? All right, hold on. Hold on. Hold up. Hold on. Huh? What? This thing is hurting, man. Poor truck. You okay, it's okay, no problem. All right, we're going to here, let's move the pressure washer out the way over here. All right, hold on. All right, yeah, let's come this way, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Turn, yeah, hold on, let me get the Nissan out of the way. Go. See, so the problem is, guys, see, his truck is so low with this trailer on it, it is, can't really clear. When we pulled this in, I don't remember how, oh, we pulled this in with the alkylator's truck and my truck. It's a lot taller and bigger. This thing, when it's on, it just squants so bad, it's sitting so low. Hold on, let me check that side so you don't hit the wall over there. You're good. Can you see it? All right. Go ahead, try to angle it, take the booty that way if you can, a little more. No, keep your wheel turned. No, turn the other way. Turn the wheel to the left. Yeah, turn to the left. So it goes that way. Yeah, there you go. All right. Good, good, good. All right, straighten it out now. Turn the wheel the other way. Yeah, there you go. I don't think his truck's going to be able to do it, guys. All right, pull forward a little bit. Pull forward and let's try to get the booty more to the right. Yeah, start turning the other way. Turn the other way. Okay, hold on, let me get this wood out of your way. So the problem is it's scraping right here on this hill. And I guess we never notice it because we take our trucks right over here, but our trucks also are lifted on 37s. So that's going to make a big difference there. All right, go back. Yeah, can you, so what we want to do is we want to take this whole thing over, if you can. Here, I'm going to do this. Are you clear? Whoa there, partner. Take it easy there, partner. Yeah, we might have to take old Dirty Max out and do it. You're getting pretty close here. You still got a little room. Yeah, you got room in the back. So you got the booty there. Yeah, now you just got to bring the tongue that way. So guys, with this device that I'm getting, hopefully worked. Hold on, let me make sure he don't hit nothing over here. Whoa, 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 whoa! You got like an inch, dude. Turn. Just stop. Go back the other way. Go forward. Go back. No, you can't right now. Go, no, the other way. Dude, you're freaking hitting it. Go back the other way. Oh my gosh. No, you can't. Don't move. Don't move. You're hitting. Can't. Wait, really? Yeah, stop moving. I'm not. Yeah, you're hitting the thing. Wait. Before you pull forward, hold on. Crap. Hold on, let me get on the other side. That's why I tell you, stop and pull forward. Hold on. Oh, jeez, this guy. Stop. Okay, turn the wheel all the way to the right. There, all the way. Okay, go straight a little bit. Hold it to the right. Why do you keep turning? Hold it like that. Yeah, the truck's moving. Okay, give a little gas. Come on. Stop. No, stop. We're gonna have to get a jack and
let me just go forward.
It's gonna scratch, dude. You're gonna scratch it if you go forward.
What if we go the other way?
No. The other way's worse. It's pushing it. You have to hold it to the right. Your only option. Stop. Okay, go. Jeez. Okay, hold on. Okay, stop. Well, you got some. Luckily, oh, is this attached to it? No, you can replace that, but I don't know if you can buff that. I don't know if that's stucco.
That's fine. I can fix that.
You sure you can fix that?
Just sand it.
Yeah, because if you were to turn the other way, you would just scrape the whole thing. Jeez. Turning right moved it. Yeah. Well, when you like turned, you fell into the wall. That's why I said stop. Let me look and see. I don't know. Yeah, you might be able to.
I can touch that.
Yeah, just get away from the wall. We might have to just use my truck. Because, see, when I do it, I hug this side. But I'm taller. The problem when you're hugging this side, the trailer's hitting the floor. That's the problem. So, alright guys, well, we don't want to mess this guy's truck up here. So, stop real quick. Maybe just go straight back. Hold on, let me see how it is. Oh boy. Huh?
Let me go left.
Yeah, you can now just literally go straight back. Straight back. Alright guys, so we moved it. He got moved over a little bit. This should be enough. What I'm trying to do is we're trying to make sure that I can back this all the way up enough and still bring the boat right in, which that looks like it's plenty of room to just back the boat straight, you know, right over here. So that should be good. And yeah, that would bother me, that little nick. You sure that's gonna come out?
Nah, so if I have to sand it and put touch-up paint.
Sand like what? With like you go like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000?
Just 3,000.
3,000? I think I got some.
I have some.
Oh yeah, some.
Just level it.
Well, I mean,
it, then touch-up paint.
at least you know, because what you wanted to do is turn the other way and it would just run the whole thing. I was trying to make the minimal amount of damage. When you would move, when you were moving, the thing was literally like bouncing.
Bent.
Yeah, your truck was like falling.
Flexing.
Yeah, where's Rhino? Rhino would like that flex. Jeez.
I got my leveling kit.
Yeah, it looks good, guys. He wants to level this thing. So, well, I don't know about leveling. I think you got your wheelie kit going down over here. Holy moly. Okay. All right, perfect. All right, so now we're gonna make sure the boat can go into that spot. So we got to put the old prop up over here. And you guys asked me, what kind is this? It's the Merc, yep, the Bravo 3. Come on up to the east side. Bam, just like that. Dang, I gotta take this thing out. You got rust, spider webs and stuff in there.
Banger on back. You're scraping, bud.
Bam.
Where you going? Where you going?
Alright guys, so now that we got the boat turned around, we're going to see if we can get this thing in that spot. Alright, go down to that.
Stand behind the boat and tell me left, right, left, right.
Let's go left, right, left, right.
Straight, left, right, anything?
Straight.
How far am I from the wall?
About 5 feet.
I can see this side. We're good, yeah.
Oh, you're good. You're in.
Alright guys, so it looks like we got the boat back here and the toy hauler, but I think what would be much better, because I want to pull the boat more this way. The problem we were having is Nick's truck. So what I usually do with my trailer, or my truck when I park it here, is I will ride this little hill that's like this. Well, Nick's truck was too low, so what it was doing, it was scraping under my trailer. So he had to come out at an angle. So what I'm gonna try next time is to take my truck, take it all the way over right here, and then bring the boat over more, because I want to bring it over more and back it up more so I can have more room to put something here, because, well, you see, I only got probably 5 feet maybe here to put something here. So that's what we're gonna try to do next, is to move everything over so we can figure out what to do with all this crap in this area over here. But as of right now, Nick's over here washing his old Forder, because, well, it's pretty nasty. And as you guys know, black gets dirty in about 10 minutes. So once he's done washing this, it'll be filthy. But he did wash this side right here, and it looks like a lot of the stucco came out, and well, just made it like, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look as bad, but it's still pretty bad. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Yeah.